Welcome to Best Car Fixes 2016 Nissan mini, like a van, which is 200, right? NV200, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we have a problem with the transmission was being replaced, and you guys know the check engine light is always there, and if you don't change, if you don't write the calibration when you change a used one or a brand new one, you may get the transmission code. So let's try to see if we can use Concept 3 Plus and write it down. Okay, we're gonna do it quick. We connect it to the OBD. Here it is. I'm gonna go to diagnose first to show you what code we have there. Okay, here transmission. I just go to transmission. It takes some time by its power up. If the check engine light is on, maybe you have other code. And the code tani beside the transmission code?
The catalyst converter.
Okay, yeah, catalytic converter is very important to do it too.
Yeah.
Right now I don't have in the transmission I only have the CVT. Let me finish that one, and then the catalytic converter, you have to figure out what needs to be done. Yeah. So this one, if I clear it, it will not go away. So I gotta go to work support and then write characteristic. Okay. And then here it will open the page for me. 2016. Let me open here. We'll go to 2016. This one here, no. I will get it right now in this area here. This one, Nissan. One of them is gonna be this file. I need it. We'll go okay next. We are going to the next. Use our 2 feet. Push this. Ignition must be ignition on. Push both, and car must be in reverse. You see R. You click start. Okay, click start. Now put everything back. Remove your feet. Turn the key off. 2 seconds. Turn it on. Now, if you notice, I don't have the sign R, nothing here, you see? Nothing there. Only no meter of no sign. So I'm gonna go to next. Now I'm gonna write ignition on, engine off, park, start. Start it, complete. P come back, and we're gonna go back again, and here we're gonna try our file diagnose. It changed to orange. You erase it, it will go away. Now we wrote down everything. I believe everything is good. Let me see now what I can do now. Let me start it. Smooth. Okay, everything good. Now we have the catalytic code. Let me see the diagnose on the engine now. No code on the transmission. Transmission is good, cancel. I gotta go to the engine. Okay, diagnose one system, engine. Here you have catalytic. Do you put any catalytic treatment?
No.
Yeah, go to store and buy a blue. They call it a cat blue, CATBLUE. You put it. You put full tank and put it in. You may clean it and you may not be there anymore.
Okay.
Okay. If it's gone, you better try that.
Okay.
You may never come back. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. I'll see you in another video. You want me to delete that one for you? Or no? Just go there and put the catalytic. We drive it. Maybe when you finish one gas tank, it may not come back again.
Okay.
I will show you where you go.
Can you write it for me?
On my YouTube channel, there is one. The name is there, but I will see if I can.
Okay.
There's 5,000 videos. I don't know if you can get it.
Very helpful. Very helpful. Where are you from, Baba?
I'm Sudanese.
سوداني.
Yeah.
اللي اشتريت عليه السيارة سوداني كمان.
سبحان الله.
أبو بكر.
واو سبحان الله.
بيشتغل في السيارات هذه.
واو ما شاء الله. Okay, now P0420. Just have to turn the key on to clear the codes. Close it. Okay, it's clear, but when you go around the corner there, D make a right, cross the street, stop. There is an auto park there.
Okay.
You go inside, say I need a card blue,
Card
small bottle,
Okay.
like juice bottle. You open it, be sure the gas tank is full here, and then you fill it. You put it into.
The gas tank needs to be empty or full?
No, full.
Full.
Almost you have to have a space to put that one, and then put it in and let the car dry. It will go through the engine injectors. When it come back to the catalytic converter, it will clean it. So let's do that one, inshallah. Okay, thank you. Assalamu alaikum.